The Magical Forest Adventure. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious and adventurous kid named Alex. One sunny day, while exploring the attic, Alex discovered an old map tucked away in a dusty chest. The map showed a mysterious forest that was said to be filled with magical creatures and hidden treasures. Excitement bubbled within Alex as the decision to embark on a grand adventure was made. With the map in hand, Alex set off on a journey to find the enchanted forest. The path was filled with tall trees, singing birds, and sparkling streams. Along the way, Alex encountered a wise old owl named Oliver, who perched on a branch. "Ah, young adventurer, you seek the magical forest," hooted Oliver. With a friendly nod, Alex replied, "Yes, Mr. Owl, can you help me find it?" Oliver fluttered his wings and pointed to the east. "Follow the shimmering river, and you'll reach the entrance to the magical forest. But beware, for the forest is full of surprises." Excited and undeterred, Alex thanked the wise owl and continued the journey. As the sunlight danced through the leaves, the forest came into view. The entrance was marked by a sparkling archway made of vines and flowers. Entering the magical forest, Alex was greeted by playful fairies and mischievous sprites. The air was filled with laughter and the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Suddenly, a mischievous sprite named Sparkle appeared. "Welcome to the magical forest, Alex. I'm Sparkle, the mischievous sprite. Follow me, and I'll show you the wonders within," giggled Sparkle. Together, they journeyed deeper into the forest, discovering talking trees, friendly unicorns, and dancing butterflies. Every step revealed a new and enchanting surprise. They even encountered a kind-hearted gnome named Glimmer, who gifted Alex a magical key. "This key opens the door to the heart of the forest, where the greatest treasure lies," explained Glimmer. Following Glimmer's directions, Alex and Sparkle reached the heart of the forest. The door creaked open with the magical key, revealing a breathtaking sight, an enormous tree with branches that glittered like stars. At the center of the tree, a glowing orb pulsed with magic. As Alex touched the orb, a warm and comforting energy surrounded them. The magical creatures gathered, expressing their gratitude for unlocking the heart of the forest. Filled with joy, Alex thanked Sparkle, Glimmer, and all the magical friends for the incredible adventure. As the sun began to set, it was time to leave the enchanted forest and return home. Back in the small town, Alex couldn't wait to share the magical journey with friends and family. The adventure became a cherished tale, inspiring others to seek the magic that lies within every forest, map, and heart. And so the story of Alex's magical forest adventure spread far and wide, bringing smiles to all who heard it. The end, or perhaps the beginning of more magical adventures to come.